Welcome back, everyone, to The Language Leap, the podcast where we dive into all things language, learning, and communication. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. And today, Emma, we're tackling a topic that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very much our present reality.
You got it, Alex. We're talking about how artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the way people learn English, making it more accessible, personalized, and frankly, a lot more fun.
It's incredible to think about, isn't it? Just a few years ago, the idea of having a personalized tutor available 24/7, ready to correct your grammar or pronunciation on the fly, seemed like a distant dream.
Absolutely. And for millions of English learners around the globe, this isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer. So, let's jump right into our first big point: how AI offers incredibly personalized practice and instant feedback.
This is huge. Imagine you're learning a new language. Traditionally, you might do exercises in a textbook, write an essay, and then wait days for a teacher to mark it. By then, you might have forgotten the specific mistake you made.
Exactly. But with AI, that feedback loop is almost instantaneous. Many AI-powered language apps can analyze your speech, identify where your pronunciation might be off, and even show you how to adjust your tongue or mouth position.
And it's not just pronunciation. Think about grammar. You type out a sentence, and an AI tool can instantly highlight grammatical errors, suggest corrections, and often explain why it's a mistake. That kind of immediate, targeted correction helps solidify the learning much faster.
It's like having a personal tutor who knows your specific weaknesses and tailors exercises just for you. If you consistently struggle with the past perfect tense, the AI can generate more practice drills focusing on that exact area until you master it.
Which is something a human teacher might struggle to do for every single student in a large class. AI can manage that level of individualization on a massive scale.
And that leads us perfectly into our second point. AI significantly enhances accessibility and provides immersive learning experiences.
This is massive for people who might not have access to traditional language schools or native English speakers. AI breaks down those geographical and financial barriers.
Right. For instance, you can use AI-powered translation tools to understand complex texts or conversations in real time. While not perfect, they've come leaps and bounds in accuracy, making a vast ocean of English content suddenly comprehensible.
And then there are the AI chatbots. I think these are truly revolutionary for conversation practice. You can literally chat with an AI in English about anything you want, at any time of day or night, without the fear of judgment.
That's such an important aspect, Alex. Many learners, especially beginners, feel shy or embarrassed to speak in front of others. A chatbot provides a safe, low-pressure environment to practice speaking, construct sentences, and build confidence.
It's true. You can ask it questions, role-play scenarios like ordering food or checking into a hotel, and it will respond dynamically, pushing you to use new vocabulary and grammatical structures. It's an immersive experience without needing to travel halfway across the world.
And these tools are often available on a smartphone, making high-quality language learning accessible to anyone with an internet connection. It really levels the playing field.
Which brings us to our third main point: how AI boosts motivation and engagement in the learning process. Let's be honest, learning a language can sometimes feel like a chore.
Oh, absolutely. The initial excitement can wear off when you hit a plateau or feel overwhelmed. But AI-powered platforms often incorporate gamification elements that make learning feel less like studying and more like playing a game.
Exactly. Think about points, badges, leaderboards, and progress tracking. Seeing your streak of daily practice or unlocking new levels can be incredibly motivating. It taps into our natural desire for achievement.
And AI can adapt the difficulty of tasks in real time. If you're doing well, it might introduce slightly more challenging vocabulary or grammar. If you're struggling, it can dial it back to prevent frustration. This keeps learners in that sweet spot where they're challenged but not overwhelmed.
That adaptive learning is key to sustained motivation. It ensures you're always learning something new without constantly feeling defeated. It keeps you engaged because the experience is tailored to your current ability, not a one-size-fits-all curriculum.
It's also incredibly encouraging to get positive reinforcement from the AI, celebrating your progress and milestones. It makes the journey feel more rewarding.
So, we've talked about personalized feedback, enhanced accessibility, and boosted motivation. It's clear that AI isn't just a gimmick. It's fundamentally changing how we approach language acquisition.
It truly is. So, for our practical takeaway today, Alex, what's one thing our listeners can do to leverage AI in their English learning journey right now?
My recommendation would be to simply pick one highly rated language learning app that explicitly mentions AI features, especially for conversation practice or grammar checking. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or even some of the newer AI-specific tutors are great starting points.
And just commit to using it for 10 to 15 minutes a day for a week. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can get comfortable conversing with a bot or getting instant feedback on your writing.
It's about taking that first step and experiencing the power of AI for yourself. It's not meant to replace human interaction entirely, but it's an incredibly powerful supplement.
A fantastic piece of advice, Alex. It's exciting to think about the future of language learning with these tools.
It really is. The possibilities are expanding every day.
Well, that's all the time we have for the Language Leap today. We hope you found this discussion insightful and maybe even a little inspiring.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe and leave us a review wherever you get your podcasts. We'll be back next time with more linguistic adventures.
Until then, keep learning and keep leaping.